Welcome back! In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to use learning grids. When you use Clicker, you have access to hundreds of free, ready-made resources on our LearningGrids site. The clicker sets on LearningGrids make it easy for you to support your children with their writing across a variety of curriculum areas and topics. Let's have a quick look at how to get the most out of the LearningGrids site. Go to the Explorer window by clicking here, and then click the LearningGrids tab. One of the quickest ways to find what you want on LearningGrids is by doing a search. We'll search for resources about weather by typing here. And we'll narrow the results to specifically writing support sets by checking these. We can find out more about any set by clicking More, and then we can click Open to use the set. This is a simple sentence set, great for children just getting started with writing. On each grid, children can click on the picture to send it to the document, and then they can click on the words to write the sentence. When they add the punctuation, the sentence is automatically read back to them.
It is sunny.
And then you can use the arrow to go to the next grids in the set. We'll go back into LearningGrids to look at a few other types of sets. This next activity is a Connect set, which still provides support but allows children to make more choices in their writing. They can use the different tabs to write a daily weather report. And going back to LearningGrids again, let's open a word bank this time. Word banks contain key vocabulary on a topic and are great for more independent writers. With any set from LearningGrids, you can always go to the Clicker Set ribbon and then click on Notes to read a description of the set. In this case, this is a word bank that supports descriptive writing about weather. Children can use it to write story openers or perhaps weather poems. If they are unsure of any word in the grid, they can always right-click on it to hear it.
Dripping.
Let's go back to LearningGrids one more time. In addition to doing keyword searches, you can also search through categories. There are categories for all the curriculum areas, and there are also collections of resources for different topic areas, such as pets. Again, we'll narrow our results to the writing support sets, and we'll open this set. This Connect set helps children write a report about what animals make good or bad pets.
A good animal for a pet is a dog.
As with any clicker set, children can always type their own ideas into the document, in addition to using the grids to help them with their writing. On LearningGrids, you'll be able to find resources for any level of writing ability. Thanks for watching. See our other tutorials for more clicker features.